Hello, in this video we will demonstrate Docker running on CoreOS as an instance in Eucalyptus. The prerequisites are to have a running Eucalyptus 4.0 cloud, and we have other videos to show how to use the Eucalyptus Fast Start installer to quickly install a Eucalyptus cloud. Additionally, we will use wget and bzunzip2. The basic steps are to download and install CoreOS machine image from CoreOS's download site, set launch permissions so that all cloud users have access to the newly created CoreOS image. And we will also check our security group. And then we will verify Docker is running by launching a CoreOS instance and running an Ubuntu container on Docker in CoreOS as an instance on Eucalyptus. Here is a diagram to be used as a point of reference throughout this video and the Docker series. The next two slides are the commands that we will use to download, install, and launch CoreOS on Eucalyptus. Let's get started. First, we'll look in our web UI and verify that we do not have a CoreOS image. Next, we'll check our security group. And for basic containers, we have a simple security group. We have port 80, we have port 8080, port 22, and we can also ping. So next we will go over to the CoreOS repository, and this is the stable release. And that's our machine image that we'll be using. And next we need to go back to our server and we will log in. And I've created a folder that we can place the CoreOS image in. And we will wget from CoreOS's download site onto our server. And now it's downloaded. The next thing we need to do is unzip using the bunzip2 command. We'll verify that the bin file is there. Next, we were going to install the image onto our Eucalyptus cloud using the install image command. And last, we will modify the image attributes so that all cloud users can use the image. And now we go back to the web UI and we can see that we have a CoreOS image. Now we will launch the instance. We use our key pair. Same security group as we looked at earlier. We will launch the instance. And this just takes a few moments. Now that our instance is running, so our CoreOS instance is running inside Eucalyptus, we will SSH to the CoreOS instance. Verify that there are no images on the cloud at this time. It's a brand new CoreOS instance. And nothing is running. To verify that everything is running correctly, we will run a Docker container running Ubuntu, and we'll just run bash and we'll verify that we have network connectivity. Since this is a brand new Docker host, no images are present, so the first time we run the image, Docker has to pull the image from the repository. All subsequent image runs will be very quick. And we'll just ping a common website. And now you can see we have network connectivity. See, there's nothing running. Once we exited, it is gone. next we're going to look at our Docker file because we're going to actually build our own image with Apache web server in it. So it's an Ubuntu 12.04 image with Apache installed. And we'll just do a build on the Docker file. This will just take a couple minutes. I've sped the video up. And now our image is created, and it's called Apache 2. So next we will run that. The one thing that we're going to do is we're going to redirect to port 8080. So now we should be able to go back to our web browser, to our instance IP address, port 8080, and we should see that Apache is running. And that verifies that Docker is running correctly and that we've successfully run an application with port 8080 pointing back into the container of port 80. Lastly, we will kill the container, refresh our browser, and we can see that we're unable to connect. In this video, we demonstrated CoreOS running Docker inside Eucalyptus and how easy it actually was. Please be sure to check out our other videos, and thanks for watching.